Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to see Facebook video views. So this will be for Android, iPhone, and also the same type of process on your computer as well. So first of all, if you want to see like your own video views that you have put a video up on Facebook for, you want to first of all click the three little lines. If you're on the Facebook app, that's the bottom right there, to bring up this menu, and then you're going to want to click on your profile, so you see your name and see your profile. You want to click on that. Then once you're on there, you're going to want to click on those three little dots that's next to the add story part, potentially for you. You're going to want to click on that to bring up the profile settings, and then you'll want to click on activity log. And then that will bring up like your previous posts, like for instance, like I'll say this person added a new video, so that would be like the most recent video. You can scroll down to whatever video that you want to click on, and then click on that. And then all you have to do is just scroll down the bottom there, and you'll see in the bottom left it say like 2 views or however many views the event's got. So that's how to see it for like yourself. And if it's for like other pages, see how many views they've got. All you have to do is just click. You want to see it just there at the bottom right hand corner. You can like click on the post there, and then you'll be able to see how many views it's got. It's a 1.1k for this post right here. But unfortunately, you will not actually be able to see who has actually watched the video personally. You can only see that for like likes, etc. You only click on it and then see who's liked it. That's the only way to do it for that, if they reacted or whatever. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Facebook app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.